You might not know that at approximately 3:30 yesterday, a very serious workplace incident occurred at one of our drainage work sites, a sewer project located at Ellerslie and 142nd Street. One of our tunneling crew members passed away while the crew was working below ground. We are absolutely heartbroken by this tragedy. A crisis support is being provided to family and employees, and employees even indirectly connected if need be. Provincial Occupational Health and Safety is currently investigating, and as such we can't and really don't have more details to be able to tell you at this time. Obviously, we're cooperating fully with all the appropriate authorities on this investigation. We voluntarily suspended tunneling operations across the city for now while we wait for more information.